welcome back to another video. Yes, I look completely hideous. I've just dried my hair and just clipped it up and put a headband in because today, as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing some hair removal. Ooh, okay, sounds weird, but it's nothing weird. I've just purchased the Zoe Ayla instant painless hair removal device at full face, which looks like this. It's just like a really small little epilator. I haven't actually tried it yet, and I thought I would do it on camera to kind of give you, I don't know, just in case you actually want to buy something like this for yourself and you just want a good product to do that with. So I epilate anyway, so I epilate under my arms a lot of the time. I mean, half the time I just forget and then shave, then have to epilate again. And I love my epilator, but I've never seen one for the face. So as you can tell, I have a mixed heritage. I don't know if you can tell, I'm sure you probably can. So my dad is Indian, my mum is English, and I'm very blessed with an all year round tan, which I am, yes, I'm very, very blessed with. But with that, I also get really thick, dark hair. I mean, I love it. And I love that I have thick dark hair, or a lot of dark hair. But also what comes with that is, you know, really thick eyebrows, and I get a little bit of hair here. I also, you can see hair on my lip a lot more because obviously it comes through darker. Where I know we all have hair on our face, but it just comes through a lot darker on me because that's just obviously my complexion, my hair colour, all of that good stuff. So it's something that I've always hated about myself. I also get like a little bit of hair on my fingers that I just hate, and I've always wished to get rid of it, but then never really known the right way to do it. So at the moment I kind of pluck, which is painful. Like if you pluck anything, it's not painful. So I have a battle on my hands every time I have to like fix this. We all hope that this works because this cost me £12. It's originally £45, but it was in the sale on ASOS, and I'll link where I purchased it from below, but then I'll also see if I can find it elsewhere, because obviously when the price is that good, if it's a great product, it's going to sell out, right? So I'll see if I can find it elsewhere. But it says on here there's no burns or irritation, just perfectly smooth skin. And it's also, it says on the back, it removes hair instantly and painlessly with a microscopic precision. With its hypoallergenic head, it's gentle on all skin types and tones. The fastest, easiest, pain-free way to remove unwanted facial hair guaranteed. A built-in light makes it easy to see and remove every single hair from your upper lip, cheek or chin. Suitable for everyday use, no nicks, burns or irritation, just perfectly smooth skin, and it's gentle and safe to touch. So I'm really, really excited. In the package it says there's one hair epilator removal, no batteries included. So I've added the battery in, but I'll show you how. And the materials is stainless steel, ABS, copper and plastics. So I've already opened it up, by the way, just to have a bit of a mooch. And I've already put the battery in because it's just a lot easier to do that off camera. So this is what's in there, and you also get a how-to guide to add your battery in. So this is the epilator, and this brush here is obviously so you can clean it. Just pop that on there. So you take the lid off, it looks like a lipstick. The rose gold epilator bit pulls out, and then you just apply the battery in there, and you just need one AA battery. I use a rechargeable one because it's easier. Oh, you just literally flick that up and push it back down for it to stop, and this just moves on the top. So let's just go into the bathroom and see what hair removal we can do. Alright, so we're now in the bathroom, so I can show you. Little zoom. Let me try and zoom it. So if you can see here, I got hair here, here, and all here. But also, if you can see on my fingers, I get a little bit of hair on my fingers, which I hate with a passion. Okay you guys, I've literally just finished, and it's taken me all of about a minute, and if you can see, like, it's got rid of all of the hair, and it feels so soft. And like I've even done in the middle, like I still need to pluck here, but I didn't want to go in and risk it too much with the epilator, just in case it kind of like went into my actual brow and then just made them look even worse than they already are. But honestly, wow, and I even did my fingers, which you probably think sounds bizarre, but look at the difference. Like, it's got rid of all of the hair, and like it wasn't painful at all. Didn't hurt a single bit. Like, not even a little pinch or anything. It just was warm and just done. Like, what on earth? Like, I didn't even know that was even possible. I didn't even know there was a thing like this out there that could do this amazingly. It's just mind-blowing. It's blown my mind. Like, what? Right, so I'm just gonna finish getting ready, and then I'll do a closer up and show you all of this once I've done my hair and I look half remotely decent. But yeah, be back in a bit. Hey you guys, so I've got ready and sorted my face out, but I find that when I wear makeup and I've got like a little bit of hair on my top lip or like in between my eyebrows, makeup tends to kind of highlight it more than if I don't wear any makeup, if that makes sense, because I find that it just accentuates it, because it just brings it out. So I thought I'd zoom in, show you how this magical little contraption has just got rid of everything. Zoom you in. So I did all here, and then like obviously all here as well, and then in between my eyebrows as well, and it's just literally got rid of it in about a minute. And I also did my hands, which I need to cream them, so and it's just literally got rid of all the hair that was on my fingers. Oh, it's just amazing. Like, £12, obviously it's initially £45, but it cost me £12 because it was in the sale. I am so glad I found this, and it's so easy to use. It's pain-free. Like, you don't feel any pain at all whatsoever. It's just really, really easy. Pop a battery in there and off you go, and you can literally just quickly zip around your face or wherever you've got the hair, and it's done. I also think you probably could use this on other areas, like obviously your bikini line. If you've got like a few little, you know, stragglers, as I like to call them, that, you know, you didn't get to wax or shave off or whatever you do, it could be worth using it for that. I mean, I don't know, but it could be. It's just epic. Like, I just can't even tell you how impressed I am. I would definitely recommend this, and I hope you found this video useful. I mean, what a really odd conversation to talk about facial hair, but I mean, not many people probably talk about it, so if you're looking for something to remove that hair, I would definitely recommend this. It's called the Zoe Ayla hair removal epilator for the face. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!